Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to log into the Shop app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Shop app on your phone. On the home screen, tap Login or Get Started. Now you need to enter your email address you used when creating your Shop account, and once you enter it, tap Continue. Shop will send you a verification code to your email. You simply need to check your inbox. Once verified, you will be logged in and ready to use the Shop app to track orders, shop, and manage payments. And that's it. You have successfully logged into your account and can now track orders, shop, and manage payments all in one place. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.